Hey guys, today we're going to load up our gas tank. This is our Mustang gas tank.
It is going to be feeding the LS in the 46 Chevy truck.
Going in our 46 Chevy truck build.
Yep.
So far, 5.3 out of a junkyard. Dropped it in the truck and we built a frame. It's kind of hard to see with the light, but that's the frame. That's going in the back of the truck, right? But first, we need to load it up. Fuel pump, sending unit, all that good stuff. Let's put it together.
Like, subscribe, and tickle that bell button for more videos.
Start with the sending unit. See this guy? When you put gas in the tank, it goes up, and then when you step on the pedal, it goes brrrr. Money, money, money!
It's called the sending unit.
Sending unit, yep. And it goes in here.
So smooth and I love it.
I'll get it started, and then I'll let you guys crank it home, okay?
Okay.
That's our fuel pump all loaded up. It's the filler tube. Ah! Don't drop it.
Yes, you don't drop it.
I don't drop anything.
Yeah, you should drop it.
Witness, it's been proven. We got it on camera.
Here we go. Final assembly. Doesn't it hurt your neck?
Not really. Oh, my neck's been hurting all day, so no.
Tractor Bob's out there making noise. Here we go. So I had to buy these two fittings here. So this end threads into the pump, and this is our AN6 line. It goes right here. Supply and return, and then this is a little bent. That's some other day. We actually have the vehicle. Not bad, huh?
Yeah, not bad. That was easy.
So that we got that sleeve right there. That'll come up through the bed. But it used to be Mustangs had this on it. And it went up and there was a filler cap.
Hello?
We're not going to use that. That just came with it.
Everybody in there? Satisfying. Here you go. Are you hungry?
Feed me!